Hi. Now our next topic is method for solving a system of linear equation. So how to solve a system of linear equation? Consider a system of m linear equations in n unknowns. Look at this. The equations is of the form a11x1 plus a12x2 plus etc. plus a1nxn is equal to b1. First equation. Second one a21x1 plus a22x2 plus etc. plus a2nxn is equal to b2 etc. Last equation, mth equation, that is am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus etc. plus amn xn is equal to bm. These are the m linear equations in n unknowns. Okay. What are the unknowns here? x1, x2, etc. xn are n unknowns. Now in matrix form, how to write these equations in matrix form? Here, matrix A, that is in matrix form, we can write this as a11, a12, next coefficient a12, now a13, etc. a1n. First row, second row a21, a22, etc. a2n, a21, a22, etc. a2n, etc. a2n, etc. Last one am1, am2, etc. amn into next x1 unknowns x1, x2, etc. xn, that is we write it as columns x1, x2, x3, etc. xn. This is a column matrix and this is equal to b1, b2, etc. bm, that is b1, b2, etc. bm. Okay, this is the matrix form of these linear equations. Okay. That is, we named this matrix as A. We named this matrix as X. This is equal to, we named this matrix as B. So, AX is equal to B. That is, AX is equal to B. Where A is this matrix called, the name of A is coefficient matrix. We named it as coefficient matrix and the name of X is matrix of unknowns. Matrix of unknowns. We don't know what are X, so matrix of unknowns. And this B, matrix B is constant matrix. Matrix of constant matrix. So this is the matrix form and we named it as AX equal to B. Okay, now we have to solve. Solution. What is the solution of this system? The solution is the values of this matrix X, that is the values of x1, x2, x3, etc. xn which satisfies the linear system of equation is called the solution. And now we are going to study how to solve this linear system of equation. Okay. Now another matrix, matrix AB. Matrix AB, we have to write this matrix as matrix AB is equal to A11, A12, etc. A1n and we join this constant matrix also here B1. Second one A21, A22, etc. A2n, B2, etc. AM1, AM2, etc. AMN, BM. This matrix joining A and B, we get another matrix, matrix AB, and we named this matrix as augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. Okay. Now, for solution, we have we have to find out for solution. First, we find out the rank of this augmented matrix AB. We have to find out the rank of augmented matrix AB. And from that we get the rank of A also. Okay. If rank of AB is equal to rank of A, rank of AB is equal to rank of A, then the system is said to be consistent. system is said to be consistent. Consistent means the system will have a solution. System will surely have a solution. So, rank of AB is equal to rank of A. That is, rank of the augmented matrix is equal to rank of the coefficient matrix. Then the system is always consistent. That means system will always have a solution. Okay. Now, rank of AB is equal to rank of A, and this is equal to the number of unknowns. Number of unknowns. Unknowns, which are the unknowns? Unknowns are x1, x2, etc., xn. So, rank of AB is equal to rank of A, which is equal to number of unknowns. Then the system is consistent and will have unique solution. The system will have unique solution. Okay. Now, the second one is, if rank of AB is equal to rank of A and which is less than the number of unknowns, then the system will have infinite number of solutions. So, if rank of AB is equal to rank of A, then the system is always consistent. And if rank of AB equal to rank of A and that is equal to the number of unknowns, then the system will have unique solution. And if this rank of AB is equal to rank of A and this is less than number of unknowns, then the system will have infinite number of solutions. Then the system is inconsistent. That is, system will never possess solution if rank of AB is not equal to rank of A. That is, if rank of AB is not equal to rank of A, then the system is inconsistent. That means no solution. So, these are the three conditions, that is consistency and inconsistency, when the system is said to be consistent and when it is inconsistent. And when consistent, the system will have either unique solution or infinite number of solution. If rank of AB is equal to rank of A, which is equal to number of unknowns, then the system will possess unique solution. And if it is less than number of unknowns, then the system possesses infinite number of solution. And if rank of AB not equal to rank of A, then the system will never have solution. That is, system will have no solution. The system is inconsistent. Okay. Now, what are the methods for finding the solution of a linear system that we have to study? Okay, thank you.